Yeah, so all I want you to do is go like to accounts and to contacts. So you can do it any way you want, really, but maybe make a view if you want or something. But like contacts that don't have an address or something or accounts. But you can see, like for example, Martin Robert, isn't that the guy we just brought on? I don't know. So the like couple things like vertical should be product should be Blue Mortgage, account status should be like if they're a client or not. I don't know if we've closed the deal or so there's all kinds of stuff. And I'm not sure if that runs like when the deal is closed. I don't know what you guys have on the product side, but then more importantly is like fax, phone number, website, billing address if we can get it. Don't worry about this stuff, the cultural fit. So communication links, I'd like to fill out as much as we can. Address, I'd like to fill out as much as we can. And then same thing inside of the actual client. So if you go into the client, fill out as much as you can. And then once the address is done up in the account, it'll come down here too. So, I mean, that's what I want. What Tom's getting at is like there's some fields inside of here, but I haven't really done it yet. Like, for example, this shouldn't be there. Like, that should just be deleted from the back, and I have no idea what that is. Active, I think Tom uses. I don't know. We'll eventually want to clean up the industry and actually get like a proper list here of industry so we can start like doing it. But if they are mortgage brokers, like put mortgage broker here, update their campaigns if needed. So that's what I'm looking for to start.